Hey there, Medical Minds community. We have got some incredible news today. A milestone in diabetes treatment. A recent breakthrough in stem cell therapy has led to a man being cured of his diabetes. Let's dive into this incredible development. Diabetes, particularly type 1, is a condition where the pancreas stops producing insulin, a hormone essential for regulating blood sugar levels. Researchers have been working tirelessly to find a cure, and now it seems we are closer than ever. So, what's the big news? Recently, a man with type 1 diabetes was cured using stem cell therapy. This treatment involved transforming stem cells into insulin-producing cells and then transplanting them into the body. The research conducted by a team at Vertex Pharmaceuticals has shown promising results. The patient, who had been living with diabetes for over 25 years, is now insulin independent thanks to this revolutionary treatment. This is not just a one-off success. The therapy is a part of clinical trial, and many more patients are expected to benefit from this breakthrough in near future. The process involves several steps. First, scientists drive stem cells from the patient's own body or a donor. These cells are then carefully engineered to become insulin-producing beta cells. Finally, these new cells are transplanted into the patient's pancreas, where they start producing insulin naturally. This approach not only helps in regulating blood sugar levels but also aims to eliminate the need of daily insulin injections and the constant monitoring that comes with diabetes management. Imagine the impact this could have on the lives of millions of people living with diabetes. Freedom from the daily challenges and risks associated with the condition is a life-changing possibility. But like all new treatments, this one is still in clinical trial phase. It is crucial for researchers to ensure the safety and effectiveness across a diverse group of patients before it becomes widely available. Stay tuned for updates on stem cell therapy and other medical breakthroughs. We will keep you updated on the progress of this existing research. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Medical Minds for the latest medical news and breakthroughs. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. Subscribe for more.